I remember that first time I saw you, girl, standing there looking real fine. I didn't have the words or the courage to let you know that you were my type. But a couple days later, you're coming on strong, and now you're my Empress Divine. Oh Lord, I knew you were Mrs. Right, and one day you'll be my wife. 'Cause I'm sure I'll be yours to overcome what may. I'll be yours no matter what they say. I'll be yours until you're old and gray. I'll be yours until my dying day. Now look at us and you'll see, still pushing through when times are rough. And I thank God for the lessons learned. I love you for who you are and not how you were. And I promise I'll still be here when we're old and gray. My love will still remain the same. 'Cause I'm sure I'll be yours to overcome what may. I'll be yours no matter what they say. I'll be yours until you're old and gray. I'll be yours until my dying day. Yo, if you're wondering why we're still together, when it's hard, we pushing it through the stormy weather. When we said for better or worse, we never broke it. When opportunities arose, we never took it. No matter if you're rich or poor, I won't be out the door. You know I'll never leave you, no never. No matter if it's hot or cold, whether you're young or old, then you know I'm here for you forever. 'Cause I'm sure